Hi, my name's Becca.
Hey there, Jeffrey here with Sephora Pro.
I have a question for you. It's about one of the products I received in my play box. It's the Grande Cosmetics Grande Lip Hydrating Lip Plumper. And I'm wondering, how do I get the most out of using this product?
So clients that are wanting to use this product typically are looking for a more voluminous effect in the lips, right? We want kind of like that plumpy, juicy kind of look.
Totally.
But there's some tips and tricks that you can do to kind of enhance that or give you that fuller lip look. Tip number one is to make sure that you're exfoliating the lip. Now what that's gonna do is remove any dead skin from the surface so that the lip plumper can penetrate fully into the lip. We've already done that for you, Becca.
Yeah, my lips feel really nice and smooth.
So now we're ready to go ahead and put this on. It's a good idea to start in the middle, sort of like inside of the lip, because then that'll help to pull volume out and make them look full and juicy. So tell me, how does it feel?
It feels like really tingly.
I know, it's kind of an interesting sensation, right?
I like it though because it helps me feel like it's working and like making them nice and plump.
So another best practice is to actually apply that when you start your makeup,
okay,
and then kind of move on to the rest of your face. So you can do your complexion, maybe add a little bit to your eyes, and then that'll give the lip plumper some time to work before you apply your lipstick. So next tip, to really get the maximum effect, it's a good idea to choose lighter colored lipsticks or lip glosses, because then they tend to give the illusion of more volume in the lip.
Awesome.
All right, the color I chose for you is from NARS, and this is in the shade Orgasm. Now, another great tip is to use glossier formulas. That's gonna give the illusion of more light reflection on the lip, so they look fuller, juicier, plump, kissable. Yes. You know the whole shebang. I love this color.
It's beautiful.
My last tip is that if you're going to apply a matte lip color, it's a really great idea to kind of blot the gloss off, take the shine down, and then apply the matte lipstick. Take a look.
Oh, it's beautiful. And I can even see the shimmer, plus my lips, to me, look juicy.
And I love how this shade plays with your cheeks. Looks really nice. Okay, girl, now that your lips are popping, let's blow them a kiss. Bye, shall we?
Yes.
Okay, bye, guys. We'll see you later.